Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the view distance in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening options. From here select Display. Scroll down and look for View Distance. Open the drop-down menu and select either Low, Medium, High or Epic. Increasing the view distance will allow you to see further and with more detail. Lower settings reduce render range, improving frame rates and system performance. Adjust those to your liking. I'll select Medium. After you are done, press the close button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.